Let me show you how we can very quickly turn image black and white in Affinity Designer. First, select the image. You can click on the image directly or select the layer of the image. Then we need to head to the top menu, layer, and then we need to search for new adjustment. This will open like the sub menu for us to select the correct adjustment, in this case black and white. Click on it and here it is. You have this pop-up with additional controls, so you can decide how different colors are translated to grayscale. Keep in mind this is non-destructive adjustment, so it's going to be switch off. You can even delete it or mask it in any given moment. So again, select the layer, then layer at the top, new adjustment. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.